Because the pandemic has caused me to spend more time at my PC than ever before, things like carpal tunnel syndrome and other repetitive stress injuries have become a growing concern. And while the MX Vertical is one of the best gadgets to help avoid straining your tendons, its bulky dimensions meant it never really worked for me. But with the new Lift, Logitech finally has a great alternative for people with smaller hands. Priced at $70 and available in 3 colors, graphite, rose and off-white, Logitech says the Lift was developed by its ErgoLab following feedback from employees and customers who, like me, were put off by the size of the MX Vertical. So after multiple rounds of user testing and approval from third-party ergonomic institutions, the company settled on a sleeker model that's 22% smaller than before. Sam Rutherford, Engadget. Now that might not sound like much, but as a guy with medium-sized hands, the difference is immediately apparent. When I tested both of Logitech's offerings side by side, the Lift felt nimbler and more natural, while the MX Vertical felt like holding a softball. To further enhance all-day usability, the Lift features a 57-degree vertical design the company says more closely mimics a person's natural arm and wrist posture, while a handy thumb rest and soft rubber coating help provide a firm, non-slip grip. And unlike the MX Vertical, the Lift even comes in both right and left-handed versions, so there's something for everyone. Here's a size comparison between the MX Vertical, left, and the new Lift, right. Sam Rutherford, Engadget. Notably, while the Lift doesn't carry the MX designation of Logitech most premium peripherals, the mouse still features a smooth magnetic smart wheel and can be paired with up to 3 devices simultaneously via Bluetooth or the Logi Bolt receiver, which comes included. But one of my favorite things about the Lift is that aside from the clicky thumb buttons, the scroll wheel and the left and right mouse buttons are super quiet, which is really nice if you don't want to disturb your family or coworkers, especially if you're working at night. My only 2 minor gripes are that I would have preferred a rechargeable design and that Logitech still doesn't make a USB-C version of its receiver. That said, longevity probably won't be a major issue with a claimed battery life of 24 months from a single AA battery. And if you have a PC that only has USB-C ports, there's a good chance you already have the necessary adapter lying around. Sam Rutherford, Engadget. Overall, while I know that Lift isn't really a groundbreaking product, I appreciate Logitech's drive to make its ergonomic devices more accessible. With the ongoing shift to working remotely, I've been trying to take stock of my home office and eliminate any items that are causing undue stress. And while I'm not Suri could switch to the Lift full-time as it isn't great for gaming, I noticed even using it for an hour or 2 made a big impact on how my wrist felt at the end of the day. So while it's not quite as sophisticated as the $100 MX Vertical, from what I've seen so far, the Lift is a comfy and even more affordable option to upgrade your everyday work setup. You can order the $70 Logitech Lift direct from the company's website or third-party retailers like Amazon and Best Buy right now. All products recommended by Engadget are selected by our editorial team, independent of our parent company. Some of our stories include affiliate links. If you buy something through one of these links, we may earn an affiliate commission.